You guys, I don't know how to explain this, but basically you'll see something going on with the lights when I turn this on. That's really loud. I'm gonna go turn it down. But anyways, as you can see, the lights are turning on. They are indeed turning on. Now it's time to show you what I have. I've got the Mr. Christmas. As you can see, this is running up to the roof lights. As you can see, are turning on. But basically, I can see it's a lot different. We got our lights here. See, they're all working. Got our cross running right here. These are different than this one. Our candy canes. These are all probably the biggest one together is this. Then we also got this one right here running to the power, plus that laser light right over there. Then we also got another one, this one right here running towards the roof. Now here, I'm gonna go show the thing itself. I gotta make sure I don't trip over it. I tripped over this morning. I did not like it. Here. If it's really loud. Here I got multiplex, unison, which will sync them all together. I'll show you in a second. As you can see, they're all synced together. They are not going at different rates. They're all synced together, all at a constant rate. So that's unison, steady, right here. Lights on, music still playing. Won't affect any sort of thing at all. So like, unison is like how I had my lights before without the music. See, they're all the lights are on. Which I'll probably have on some nights. But, you know, I'll switch it up. Some nights I'll have it on unison, some nights I'll have multiplex and steady. But for now, I'm having it multiplex because I love multiplex. Now, we got down here. Let's see. Alright, let's start with this here. This right here, the garage lights. So here's running to like the candy canes, the presents, that that area. This one right here is running to like basically way to the sides. That little 3 candy cane patch, that little fence gate, and then that string thing up there. Right down here, got the deer, 2 trees. And then now, I love to say, right here is the roof lights. Connecting, I'll be like, it's yellow, not green. Oh, I got this right here. It wasn't long enough, so got to trim it out a little bit. Sorry, I don't know what I was going to say there. But basically, right here, so I'm going to go over the wiring now. Just going to do this. So right here, as you can see, I'm going to start way back here. Well, I'm in that area. I'm going to go to the roof lights so you remember that little green thing right down here. That there's connected to one of the yellow. I can't remember. It's 2 yellows up to here, which I actually had that blue one before, but I had to switch it up because it wasn't long enough, of course. now what I've got going, as you can see, people tell you that you don't need to plug it. Well, probably won't, because like some houses are different where you don't need to. Well, I need all extension cords for mine. And what you will notice is that the laser lights won't blink. Because like it does look a little weird, and they don't really work all that great. So I'm just gonna show you here. So I'm gonna take this. That's a laser light here. Bring it over here and plug it into the back. This right there. But doing this while also holding the camera. As you can see, this is now connected to the thing, but it doesn't really show up all that great. So that's why I'm just gonna keep steady. Plus, you want something to break off the blinking, you know, in this song breaks. Then also, I'm going to show you a tip for any of you guys that want to do this. Laser rough lights to number 6. They're going to have the most repeated times, and they'll just probably look better. I initially didn't want to do that for these roof lights because they're incandescent, and I don't want that to blow a bulb or something because they're getting flicked on and off too much. But I don't really like it when it's like not repeated the most, so I just went with it. Now, basically, so I went to the roof lights. Right here runs directly into the Mr. Christmas, controls the garage lights, and that little ball. This green one leads to the cross, as you can see here. So yeah, basically on that big block area over there. But basically, so this right here connects to the Mr. Christmas and laser light right here, which I'm probably going to get another laser light, so I'm going to connect to this. So yeah, basically that's pretty much the show. I'm trying to keep this as clean as possible and short as possible in at least 10 minutes. So yeah, that's the show, under 10 minutes. See you in the next one. This will probably go up on Wednesday. I don't have any school then, so yeah, see you later.